Hello everyone, Salam Alaikum. In this video you are going to bring the Fusion design to the physical prototype stage by using 3D printing process. So first of all, you are going to save each component as STL file, and then you are going to use Flashforge 3D printer to prepare the file. Then you can print it using the 3D printer here. Now let's get started. Let's start with the 3D printing process modeling. First of all, you need to create a design using Fusion 360. Then you need to save the file from Fusion as .stl file. After that, you will take this STL file and you will use FlashPrint Forge to create .gx file. When you have the .gx file, then only you can print the 3D object as it's shown here. So you take your GX file, put it here in Flashforge 3D printer, and then you can print finally your design. To sum up, you are going to use Fusion 360 and FlashPrint software to 3D print your object. Again, the .stl for the 3D models from Fusion 360, you need to convert it to .gx by using the FlashPrint. Then from .gx, you can 3D print your design. So this is the final prototype here. First of all, you need to save each component as STL file. So we need to save this component. So we have to click on here as the main box, right click, and then save as STL. Then click on OK, save it in desktop as STL file, then save. You need to repeat this for every component. This is the first component, then click on this one here. So now the cover is activated. Now right click and then save as STL. Again, OK, give it a name, cover, and then save. And then let's assume that the pen is something you have. No need to print it, no need to 3D print it here. Okay, so mainly we are going to print the cover and the box here. So now we have two STL files. We need to convert it to .gx in order for us to 3D print the object. So let's open FlashPrint. So this is the software here, FlashPrint, or you can find it by the search FlashPrint and then click here. A new version of FlashPrint is available. Let's click no. We can work on this one and then X here. So this is the FlashPrint software. First thing you need to know that there are many types of FlashPrint. You need to choose which printer you are working on. So as you can see, the Flashforge 3D printers, there are many different types: the Finder, the Adventure, the Create Pro, Dreamer, Create Pro. There are many types of Flashforge printers. In our case, we are going to use the Finder here. So this is the printer that we are going to use. So let's see the specification of the printer that we are going to use, which is the Finder printer. So this is the price. If you want to buy, of course, you want to select the shipping country and you can purchase it if you want it at your home. And this is the key feature. This one is touchable. You can connect it using Wi-Fi, USB, or also cloud print. You can have different quality. You can use PLA, WPC, elastic, and so on. In our case, in the school, we do have the PLA, this one. We use the PLA. And the FlashPrint is this software here. So let's go to the Flashforge overview here from here. So this is the printer. This is the filament, the PLA. Here is the place where you put the PLA. It's removable. You can put it back here. Those are some examples of the output of the printer. So the specification here, what I want you to understand is the print volume. So the print volume of the 3D printer of this one is 140 multiplied by 140 multiplied by 140 millimeter. So when you are working on the flash print, click on print machine type. If you are having another type, you can see the dimension is different. Since there are many types of printer and there are also many sizes, as you can see, you need to choose the finder to make sure the size is the same. Okay, so first of all, load and put the box. Yes, so this is to put it on the platform here. This is a bigger size, so you need to scale it to make it smaller size. Why? Because the size, if you remember, it was 160. So the length here was 160. Of course, it's out of the dimension. So you need to give here one click. When it's white, you go to scale, give it one click, and then you will see the dimension here. You just go to 100, make sure that this one is tick. There is a tick here, and put here 85, and then enter. So now the size is changed. Now you need to move it. Make sure it's on platform, and you need to rotate it. You can rotate it from X, Y, and Z. So click on X one time and go back to move and make sure it's on platform here. So just click on this one so it will be on platform. Okay, if you want to move it right or left from here, I just want you to go back 25 millimeter and then click and enter. Why? Because I need to add the cover here. Okay, close it, load, go to the cover, click on yes. Now this is the other one. You need to move it. So as you can see, no model selected. So you need to select the model first and then go minus 50. It will be here. Rotate. So we need to make sure that the bigger base is on the base. So one, another two, so it will be like this. Don't forget to scale it, the same scale, which is 85. Enter. So that's it. Now we have two components can be printed in one file. Now you need to add the support. Click on support, click on auto support, and then click on OK. As you can see, there is now a green material here. This material can be removed when the file is printed. Click on back, no, and then finally click on print to save the file. Click on OK. Here you need to add a name and then click on save. So now it will be saved as .txt. And this is the estimated printed time. Now you need only to take the file and plug it in the printer and the object will be printed. Take a screenshot and paste it here. That's it. Good luck.